Unfortunately, I'm a pretty messy person, so I've been trying to get myself organized, and I got myself this trunk organizer, and I am a huge fan. It is a great size. I usually have it just kind of pushed into the corner, so then it will give me all kinds of space here when I'm doing my groceries or anything like that. You still have lots of room. There's lots of pockets here in the front, and when you're not using it, you can actually fold it up and then clip it together. That's what these clips here are for. You've got a Velcro lid that just pops up here. I have a couple of towels. I have paper towels. I have my grocery bags. I have my jumper cables. All of this is just in here. I have my tire inflator. I've got a chamois. I've got my leather cleaner. Honestly, it fits so much. And this actually comes out as well. If you did not want to have the divider in there, you can pull that out. There are even hooks on each side here that you can hook it into the back. As I can see, I have the little piece here that you can hook it so you don't want it rocking around all over the place. But you know, I never go off-roading, so I don't need it, but obviously that option is there. So yeah, this is really great, and the lid completely comes off just in case you didn't want that. So yeah, everything looks nice and tidy, and I definitely keep the lid so that I can keep this messy.